Hello everyone, this is John Gatis from the Gatis team at Keller Williams Realty, and this weekend, June 1st and June 2nd, we have something magnificent planned. We are starting the open houses for a cause, and this weekend we have the maiden voyage with Magic's Mission, Beagle, and Hound Rescue. We're gonna try to adopt 2 hounds, and we are super excited to be partnering with them. And we have a beautiful listing at 160 Stratford in Buffalo, North Buffalo. And we also have Brian Belser from Guaranteed Rate that's going to be cooking up a sailing hot dog storm. So please come and join us, because you know why we're doing this? Not only is we're doing it because it's a great cause, but open houses are typically not the most exciting things to do. So we're trying to maybe liven it up a little bit and bring people in. So we are excited. Please come and join us Saturday from 11 to 1 and Sunday from 1 to 3. And maybe we can even sell you your next home.